Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to the Try It Kitchen, the show where I make recipes that I've said but never tried before. Today, we'll be making beet chips. We start by washing and peeling our beets. The skin on the beets isn't harmful, but it is unpleasant, so it's best to remove it. We then slice the beets as thinly as we can manage. Because the recipe is so simple, I wanted to experiment, so I grated 2 of the beets instead of slicing. We then toss our beet slices and gratings in olive oil and bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees, turning them and baking for another 15 to 30 minutes. And now for the tasting after salting. To be honest, these are terrible. The pieces that became crispy taste burnt, while the non-crispy pieces are just floppy and greasy. The cutting method didn't make a difference at all, as neither the slices nor the very thin gratings crisped up. The water and sugar content of beets are just too high, and I can't in good faith recommend this recipe. With that said, I wish you better luck than I had, and don't forget to taste for salt.